What is the significance of YN BTS in BTS Fandom?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our BTS Fandom series. In today's video, we're going to dive into the significance of YN BTS in the BTS Fandom. So, let's get started.
What is YN BTS?
YN BTS stands for Your Name BTS, and it refers to a special project within the BTS fandom where fans create personalized BTS-themed usernames. These usernames typically incorporate elements of BTS members' names or their songs, creating a unique identity that reflects the individual fan's connection with the group.
How does YN BTS contribute to the fandom?
The YN BTS project plays a significant role in fostering a sense of community and connection among BTS fans. By adopting personalized usernames, fans not only express their admiration for the group but also establish their own unique presence within the fandom. It's a way for fans to showcase their individuality while being part of a larger community that shares the same passion for BTS.
Building personal connections.
One of the remarkable aspects of YN BTS is how it allows fans to build personal connections with BTS and other fans. By incorporating BTS-related elements into their usernames, fans feel a closer affinity to the group and their music. It creates a sense of personal identification and strengthens the emotional bond between fans and BTS. Moreover, YN BTS provides a platform for fans to interact with each other. When fans come across others with similar BTS-themed usernames, it becomes a conversation starter and a way to form connections with like-minded individuals. It helps fans find friends, discuss BTS-related topics, and share their love for the group.
Fandom unity and support.
Another significant aspect of YN BTS is the unity and support it generates within the BTS fandom. When fans see others using YN BTS usernames, it reinforces the feeling of being part of a large and supportive community. It encourages fans to come together, celebrate their shared love for BTS, and stand by each other during various fandom events or challenges. The YN BTS project has also been utilized for charitable purposes, where fans organize fundraising campaigns or donations under the collective YN BTS identity. This demonstrates the power of the fandom coming together to make a positive impact beyond the virtual world. To wrap things up, YN BTS holds great significance within the BTS fandom. It allows fans to create personalized identities that reflect their connection with the group, fosters personal connections between fans, promotes unity and support within the fandom, and even contributes to charitable endeavors. It's an incredible way for fans to showcase their love for BTS while finding a sense of belonging in the passionate BTS fandom. Thank you for watching, and remember to spread love and support for BTS and fellow fans. Until next time.